guys, and welcome to another video. I'm Imphenzia and I'm out for a walk right now. I'm not trying to sound like David Attenborough with my pauses. It's just that I'm out of breath. Can't really walk and talk at the same time. Here's where we celebrate midsummer sometimes. It doesn't look much like midsummer at the moment. We're just about to start the February challenge now. I know we're a couple of days in. I'm still working on assembling the city block because you guys put together 140 contributions, or more actually. It's been a lot of fun putting those together, let me tell you. Time consuming, but fun. We're going to be doing transportation for that city. So you can do anything like cars, trams, buses, trucks, pogo sticks, scooters, motorcycles, you name it. Even airplanes maybe, I'm not sure. Zip lines, not zip lines. Make sure you follow the rules as well. It's very important because when I import these things, it can either take 5 seconds if you follow the rules, or it can take like 5 minutes if I need to merge the objects, fix the materials and everything. So make sure you stick to the rules. Eat to extrude, that's the scale.